Welcome, my fellow citizens. New day, Drake Day. Drake Clipper is here. I'm going to get one and we're gonna go in the game immediately to check out this masterpiece. This ugly, beautiful masterpiece. Just look at this. I don't know, crazy little thing. And it can shoot, it can fly, it can recover you, everything. Awesome little ship. I'm gonna upgrade medical Pisces to this because no need for that anymore, because I have Drake Clipper. So here is the video about it. We're gonna skip it, some few shots. So this is what it is: upper lower engineering, okay, habitation and cockpit. Then we have medical bay, then we have fabrication and cargo hold. Best of all. Yeah, he's really got your back. Okay, let's check out the prices. So here is more info about the ship. Oh, look at this red paint, I like it, I'm gonna get it. So we have here some offers. Oh my god, it's not expensive. Warbound is $135, really nice. And if you want just standalone ship with a store credit, then it will cost you $150. Really nice little ship. Look at these paints. Wow, let's check out some paints from this ship. Clipper Regatta, this is limited one. We're gonna get this one 100%. So we have this yellow, red. Wow, oh, look at this hold camo paint. This will go perfectly with my new armor. Really nice. So here are the paints that we can get immediately. 4 paints. So red one, this blue one. So this is a pack. And also we have this, the Drake Golem OX. This is a new cargo hauler. Let's see some info about Drake Golem. 2x 32 SU. Wow, wow. Look at the tractor beam. Perfect hauling ship for the starters. I love it. Love this little thing. Also cool paint. Only $80. Perfection, warbound. Wow. This is really nice. This is all warbound price. What is normal price? Ah, okay, it's 90 with the 10 years insurance. Perfect. And here are some paints for it. Let's open and check out. Okay, we can check them out here immediately. Oh, I like the black one and the red one too. Guys, Drake is king of the year this time. So these new Drake ships are absolutely amazing. I love them. Really, really nice. So we're gonna get both of them and let's go check them right now. So here is the Drake Clipper, finally in my hangar, fully upgraded, and let's go see it. So the Drake Clipper has a lot of paints, but this suits armor perfectly, and it really looks good on it. So for the weapons I have gotten the same Omni Skies, 4 of them, and for the components 2 size 1 FR66 shields, GS 300, and 2 of them, 1 Snowblind as a cooler grade A stealth, and VK00 quantum drive. So from the outside, this ship looks crazy as hell. I don't know where would I put this thing, but it's ugly, it's beautiful, I already said it. I love it. I really love it. It has a lot of missiles. Some of the guns are on the wings that I don't like because they can be broken easily, but overall this ship is my best ship of the year, no question about it. I expect this ship next year in the top 4 ships without any problems with the Perseus. This ship has everything. It got you covered completely for all of your needs. Entry point is on the top of the ship, not at the back. This is the elevator that leads you to the top floor. We will not use it. Ah, here it is. So on the right side you will open the cargo, and on the left side you will call the elevator. Really nice. Let's go inside. A lot of cargo here. Wow, I think it's 16 SUs. Real nice. But I think you can stuff much more here. Close. As you can see, the ship is not dark inside. This is the engineering, the CIG said, so this is not something special, it's not crafting station, it's just a beautiful engine from the inside. That is how they make it. And here we have some kind of gauges, real nice. It has this lever. Hatch control, what kind of hatch? Ah, the hatch above, I don't know why do we have this hatch. What do we do with this? Crazy as hell. Welcome to the med bay. So I've upgraded my Pisces to this because now I do not have use for it because I have this. This is a perfect little med bay. Let's set our imprint here. Regeneration. Transfer imprint. 200 med gels. This is it. You can respawn 2 times, and if you want more, put some med gels inside. And you are covered. Through these doors we are coming to the engineering terminal. Well, it's not engineering, it's a crafting station. Hot surface, what we will do here, how do we gonna do it, I really do not know. Like, there's nothing here. There's only here emergency stop. I'm really interested how this will work. I think maybe we could craft some components or weapons or schemes, I don't know. Will be interesting to see. What's this? Ah, this is the place where you can put your armor, and this is the weapon racks. Really nice. And this is this elevator from the front. Now let's go up. This is where we live and fly the ship. And yeah, it's really nicely bright inside. We have a storage here, I think. What? No appropriate. Oh, we can put posters here. How cool is that? Go into the bed. I will not do that. Where is the storage here though? Ah, here is the storage. Okay. Nice, nice, nice. Here's a small kitchen. Here's a table to dine and bed to sleep. And also, this is important, toilet. And the dripping shower that can only Drake make. Perfect. And this is the engineering part. These are the all components here. You can see my FR66 inside. Real nice. And this is the place again to open this hatch. Maybe to drop someone on purpose. I don't know why, but it's there. Cool, cool little ship. Enough from the interior, let's go to the cockpit and let's fly this thing out. I want to see how good it is. Let's go. I've been waiting ages to fly this thing. This is the exterior. This paint suits it perfectly. I really like it. This is my favorite paint. I haven't even tested the other ones, but this is my favorite paint. Love it, love it, love it. Let's jump in the air. Ooh, sounds nice. Let's open. Damn, these wings. Oh god, tell me you don't like this. These are my guns. Let's see the power inside. I think the best thing to put here are the attritions or NDBs. So yeah, power is good. We have 8. Put all to the weapons, put all to the shield, and yeah, really nice. Fully set up. So cross section is 18.6k, so making this ship stealthy is not a good idea. So better use the best you can use on it. Come on, I love this design of this ship. So many engines. Now we're gonna test the speed. I think it's 200 in SCM, boosted is 400 and maximum is 1000, which is kind of low. I was expecting a little bit more. The sound of it. It's breaking loose. I love the sound of this thing. Let's go again inside to hear. It's a little bit muted, you don't hear inside, but when you go outside, listen to this. It's like a tractor. meeting jet engines. Come on. Drake ships are crazy, guys. Look at this silhouette. How can you not love it? It's so ugly, only mother can love it, and still I love it. It has its mojo. Crazy as hell, this little thing. Right now the crafting is still not in the game, but it should be soon, so expect soon that this ship will have even better use than it has right now. Come on, look at this beauty. Gorgeous. And the sound of it is just making me laugh. This is how I decide if I like the ship. If I have a smile all the time while I fly it, then it's a really good ship to me. And I don't care about stats, I just care that it makes me happy. And I think that's the best way to get the ship that you need. Right now also there will be a lot of warbound deals, and if you want to upgrade ship and you haven't done that before, I'm gonna make a new video. I have an old video, but I'm gonna make new and better one, so you don't miss out on the good deals that are coming the last 3 days of this ship showdown. Stay tuned for that. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn that bell icon so you don't miss my next video. Also, why are you guys not subscribing? Like 80% of you are watching my videos and not subscribed. Please, if you like my videos, if you enjoy my content, subscribe. It helps me immensely. And also you, so I can make more videos for you guys. The Drake Clipper flies really good in atmosphere because of its wings. So expect that to be even better. Here we are. Now we have to get really close to fight the ships. Two size 1 shields are good for this little thing. This is not a fighting ship, but it can do some damage. Look at that, how outmaneuvers me. And of course, if I had the better weapons, I could kill him easily, but... A little help. Definitely I have to put here NDBs. He would be dead so much faster than this. Okay, whoa. Oh, yeah, another one. Maybe we are a little bit over our heads. We're going down, dude. The Clipper is a beast. Oh, look at it, what we done. We cut him. Got him. Ooh, arrow. What am I paying you for? Hey, little arrow, don't do damage to me. I'm gonna kill you. With the boost, it's decent. Don't expect this to be a PvP ship, but look at this. If you are a starter and you are looking for the best overall ship, welcome to the Drake Clipper. This is definitely the best overall starter ship, and even to player who is like me, playing years and want to have ship that can do everything in the game, this is it. This is the perfect thing to go to loot around. Like, you have a medbay, you have a cargo deck, everything you can log out in the ship. Guys, I'm telling you, you will love this ship definitely. Alright, we have seen it. Let's now go and test the Golem OX. That thing is also really nice. I have to see it in action. This is the Drake Golem OX. This is a cargo holding ship, and I love it. The Drake Golem is also a very nice ship, and this too, awesome little thing. Let's turn it on. Oh, nice veto capabilities. Oh, that's what we need for the Drake Clipper. That's the only thing that it doesn't have. Classic Drake vetoes. I love veto ship. Oh, this is fast little thing, nimble. Let's land this. Moves really graceful. Don't expect here some kind of good weapons. This is just a cargo hauling ship. I have 2 size 1 attritions on it, and that's it. Alright, let's test how the hauling works with this thing. For the setup I've used all stealth components, and let me tell you why. So this is the power. Cross section is only 1k. So this thing is best stealth cargo ship in the game, no question about it. Look at my power. If you disable the shields, it will go even lower. Maybe weapons also. Your emissions are minimal. Like, IR is not important, but the cross section, look at this, only 1k and 2.9. This is the perfect stealth hauling ship. It doesn't have firepower, so it might be the stealth ship. I have everything grade A stealth components in it, and I love it so far. Let's go out and see how does it work as a cargo ship. So if you have some cargo that needs to be hidden, this is the best ship to do it. Alright, I have some cargo. Look at this. Basically this is a raft. Small little raft. It has everything that you need for the perfect cargo hauling. And the secret is I made it stealth. So I think this is the best stealth cargo hauling ship. You also have the Prowler, but that one is much easier to detect than this one. Look at this, and this one can carry a lot more, 64 SU boxes. How cool is that? Come on. Okay, it went underneath, never mind. There it go. A lot cargo this thing can drive. I think it's better to park it from behind and load it. That's how you can put much more and easier. Come on, this is so cool. I enjoy this thing a lot. So the best starter cargo ship right now is Golem OX. If you want better cargo ship, then go for the raft after this, and even better than that, maybe C2 and then all the way to hull C. Guys, look at this. Like, I put all the 1 SU and 2 SU boxes that I had, and look how much space I still have here. Absolute breeze to load in, and look at how easy to offload. So you just pick up the upper box and the lower box will just fall down immediately. Look at this. Come on. Beautiful. I also have to test if I can put the... what's it called? ATLS on this thing. But I don't need the ATLS. Like, this is a small ship and tractor beams are working now really nicely. Awesome little thing. Let's pull my cargo back. I'll need this in the future for my raids. So yeah, if you want to go and transform cargo from point A to point B, take this little thing and enjoy it. So that was it, my fellow citizens. These are the new ships in the game, the Drake Clipper and the Drake Golem OX. Loved both of these ships and I'm going to keep them for now in my hangar. Write me down in the comments what do you think about Drake ships this year. I love them. They are star of the year. And can't wait to test the Ironclad, which is coming maybe for the Invictus. We shall see. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, don't hesitate to subscribe, like and share. Until next video, have fun out there, my fellow citizens.